Hey internet, the code is in the pinned comment. This is my first game as a coding project. So what it is match the color game. So unlike the memory version where if you click on a square it stays, whereas this one if you get it wrong it resets, and every time you click on a different square the square is a random color. So this is a game that requires luck rather than skill. So you got a red square, then you got a purple, resets, you got a purple, as you can see it changes the color again. So it's random every single time and it just takes luck to win. Well, there we go, and we won. So do you want to play again? Yes or no? Yes, we can play the game. No, it quits the application. It's also in the description for the GitHub code. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below. Do you find this fun or interesting? Until next time, see ya.